In the current situation, Facebook profile content monetization has become a subject of discussion, whereas earlier content monetization was not shown as prominently. What could be the reason for this? I mean, is this a problem or not? Many of you are feeling this issue. Don't worry, I am here to provide you with a solution. However, you should see the video to understand better. You will get the answer. So, do not start the Salon video without first clicking on your profile here. After clicking, you will see your profile today. And today you will also be able to see the data you are looking for. So after clicking here, you will come to the page where you can update your professional mood. So surely you will have to update your professional mood. Therefore, what you will feel proud of one day, you will feel proud of your professional achievements. You will also have the opportunity to update your professional mood along with others. If you do not wait, it will take you a day. Then you will see your professional mood on that option page. But if this is a problem for you, then you will have to deal with it. Whatever content monetization is being discussed, you will have to manage it. Then a solution will come to you. Inshallah, it will happen. I have ensured that I will inform you about this. The content monetization options that are not available are those available. What about the content monetization options that are not there, but there are professional opportunities available? You will not find many options in your profile. However, after one day, that option will be available and you will receive the content monetization options. So please check and see. So I am telling you this. If you face any difficulties, then you will have to make necessary content monetization decisions. You will understand this if you update your professional mood again. If you don't have any content monetization options available, then you will definitely have to work on this. You will have to post a certain number of times and release videos in a timely manner. Then you will be able to access your content monetization options and especially be aware of the rules. Many people think that if I increase my professional mood, then my followers will be lost. Will they leave or not? It won't happen suddenly. I mean, you will lose some of your followers. Your followers will go away. That means if you receive content monetization, then you will increase your audience engagement. And again, you will increase it. However, you will not face any loss. You will still be able to see your followers and those followers. Many think that if I increase my professional mood, then all my followers will leave. No, your followers will stay with you, okay? The kind of setup you had before will come back to you. Okay, so if you want to make your video engaging, then what should you do? You should follow us closely. Today, if you see YouTube, make sure to subscribe to YouTube as well. Today, please leave a nice comment. Also share the video and help spread the word so you will receive good suggestions. You will see further videos as well.